Good evening, good evening. So it's a Friday evening. Almost everyone have stopped working, trading. So weekend is coming. So I was just about to post some new ideas, but I've decided not to do it because, well, most of the majors that I trade, they are basically in range. And I've just decided to have a look at the market, what has already happened, what was right, what was wrong. So it will be very quickly. And so what to expect from me, basically. So what will I prepare over the weekend? First of all, I will prepare some material on how to follow anyone, including me. So if you're a non-experienced trader and you're looking for ideas how to understand which idea is right, which idea is wrong, or what trader or analyst is good or bad, let's put it this way. You see, so first of all, how to kind of rely on someone. Can you rely on this person or not? So we'll try to answer these kind of questions for you. Then I will tell you how you can actually do it, how you can manage your funds. So I know that it's quite popular to give just money someone and let this person kind of trade your money, manage your money. But as you can see, if you're expecting something big and the person is promising you something big, it's in most of the cases it actually doesn't return this way. So it does show you these kind of systems, like 100% profitable systems, etc. They kind of show you a very good profit within a couple of days or weeks. Not more than that. Well, it can be a couple of months, but again, but finally, all these accounts, well, I've seen lots of them during my experience, and they've all been blown up, basically. So that's something what I want you to be away from, So I will prepare all this kind of material during the weekend. So it will be available on the YouTube. Then I already also will post a link to a written material as well that you can read it and learn from it as well. So I do really hope that you will enjoy it. Also, what can I say about today's trading? So in most of the cases, it was all right, by the way. Yes. So for now, what I have on my charts are the signals basically for the overlap session. But as we can see, well, in most of the pairs, they actually stopped moving during the overlap session, and they do not move at the moment as well. Well, of course, we all know what can happen during the last hour or last minutes of the market. So something interesting can actually happen. And that's why I didn't really want to place any kind of signals, because what can happen, well, it's very easy to be wrong at this time. And I do not recommend you to follow anything, and do not recommend you to trade as well when the market is closing. Well, it all depends on what kind of trading approach you have, of course, because, well, I do know some approaches that you can actually open position on the market close. So but it's totally up to you. That's not something what I trade. Okay, so with Aussie, I'm not going even to kind of expand this chart. So with Aussie, I'm expecting it to grow on Monday. But that's something what I see now. It's in a range. The same as euro dollar, again in a range, in a tight range. It's a short term, it's just a 15-minute chart, so we can switch to actually, well, to talk about, to have something to talk about. Let's switch to 4-hour chart. So What do we see here? We do have a down moving range, quite wide on Aussie, and it's a support area, and it's on the level, support level as well, quite strong one. So the price can actually go up from here. About euro, yes, it can actually continue its up movement to at least trigger these highs here. Pound dollar. It has already triggered the first kind of target here. So what can we expect? We can expect a little retracement here, by the way. And then down move continuation. That's something what I do expect, but it can be different. It can be different because I will recount everything. All my analysis will be changed. I will have new data when the week will be closed, etc. So that's just few last words for this week. Okay, so that's pound. Right, and New Zealand. It can actually, we do have some kind of a triangle, not the perfect one, but let me draw it for you. So it's something, I will use a closing prices. So something like this we have here. So it's a sort of rising wedge or something like this. So price can actually continue its up movement towards here where the short-term target is, as you can see. All right. Sorry, just have to answer something. Okay, had to. Sorry. All right. So for now, these kind of wicks are the possible target for this up move, which we can see at the moment. All right. So what's happening? What is happening? Not getting what is happening. All right. I will continue with the hope that you will be able to see me. Okay. So Canadian. Well, short-term target has been triggered, so we do see some kind of a bounce from here. So regarding the view, well, will the market go up or down? I have to check it. So I can't say at the moment what is actually happening here because I will wait till the week closure and then I will give you new kind of ideas about what I see. All right. Well, with Frankie, well, it's a bit easier. Well, we can see that the price has been going down for quite a while now, and we can just simply continue its down movement within kind of the major market direction here. But again, I remember I told you before that, well, we have to be quite careful in, how can I say, overbought, oversold zones here. So currently oversold zone is can be actually a good buying opportunity. Why? Because, well, the parity has not been reached yet. So we might have something around 1 there, you know. So it might happen, but it's not necessarily will. Because, well, as we can see, dollar is quite weak at the moment. It doesn't mean that it will be on the next week, but for now, that's what it is with it. Yen, again, it was in a range. As you can see, it does create some kind of a triangle, and it will be broken, I guess, down to at least trigger these lows here, and then we'll see what will happen next. And with gold, well, it does look like a good buying opportunity here. So do expect it to go up, and we might have it during the next week opening. Okay, so that's about it for now. I don't know what's happened with this live stream. Why did I have a black screen here? So hopefully it didn't cause the stream itself. So I do hope that you had a very good week, or at least good week. And I'll do my best to support you next week. So I have changed a little bit the text that I write on each report. So it will be a bit changed, easier to read. Again, if you want me to talk about something, then you can always leave a comment, and then I will kind of talk about it over the weekend, so I can actually prepare some videos on demand, etc. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. It was a bit kind of slow webinar this time, and I will have some new material over the weekend, so you'll be able to see it. I'll let you know some new analysis as well. Saturday and Sunday, I will prepare something both days. All right, guys, thank you very much for being here. And I'll see you soon. Thank you. And have a very, very great weekend. Bye-bye, guys.